Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a recipe of pepper water. It is also called as Rasam in South India. It is very good appetizer, especially during the winter season. You can have it with hot rice, or if you're down with cold, cough, fever, it is a great relief during this time. So for this I've taken 4 to 5 cups of water in a container, and to this I'm adding a small size of tamarind and then one ripe tomato to it, and salt according to your taste. Mash it nicely and keep this aside. In a mixture jar, I have taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1.5 teaspoon of peppercorns. I have taken half teaspoon of asafoetida, then 10 to 12 garlic cloves. I have taken coriander leaves, then curry leaves and 2 green chilies, and I'll grind it into a coarse powder. I'm not using any rasam powder. Okay, just simply will grind this masala and will make this rasam. So many different ways to make rasam, but this is my style of making. So try this and you're really going to enjoy it. Now in a pan, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, we'll add the ground masala to it, and we'll fry it nicely till all the raw smell goes from this masala. Add the tomato tamarind water to it and mix it well and let it boil nicely. Starts boiling, you can add half teaspoon of pepper powder to it, and then we'll add fresh coriander leaves and curry leaves to it and let it boil, and then our tasty rasam or pepper water is ready to drink. A tasty tangy rasam or pepper water is ready to drink, especially when we have cold, cough, fever, sore throat. It is very good to drink this. You will get great relief from cold, cough and fever. It is very tasty and very easy to make. So try this recipe. We have not used any rasam powder in this. Yes, so it is very easy, very tasty, and you can also have it with hot rice. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share with your family and friends. Thank you so much. God bless you all.